National COVID-19 Response Coordinator Dr. George Mitchell says patient 15 is not the first individual showing symptoms of COVID-19 at the Caribbean agro industry. The company, where a small cluster of positive cases were recently confirmed. In fact, he said that a male employee was only the first to get extremely sick.
You would recall that we did, in consideration of the plight of the farmers and their chicken, their pigs, etc., we did give consideration to allowing for some form of activity at that company. And so the theory, the strongest that we have is that someone may have come in there and contaminated one or two persons, or one person that eventually contaminated another person. So that's basically our strongest theory that we have.
Dr. Mitchell, speaking on GBN's To The Point with host Blossom Alexis Welsh on Wednesday, said it's an interesting case. Initially, officials suspected it was possibly a worker on a supply boat from a neighboring island from which a company imported its products. However, all workers were tested negative for the virus. Now they're looking at a source on island.
We are trying to ensure that these people maintain the quarantine and that they're not circulating, even though we have tested them and they're negative. That much care we are actually taking. And come Friday morning, we have also arranged to retest all of them. That organizational effort is already in train. We've been in contact with the management of Caribbean Agro. They will all come there for ease of doing business, so to speak, maintaining first and foremost the social distancing and wearing of their masks. And we will have all of them tested on Friday morning before we can contemplate in any way giving the green light to open that institution.
Despite numerous calls for people to self-quarantine, some have refused to adhere. Health Minister Nicholas Steele, who was also on Wednesdays To The Point, said that action was taken recently to remove such people and place them in mandatory quarantine, under guard, and 24-hour observation. Despite this act being a criminal offense, no charges were laid on anyone. Grenada's COVID-19 record to date stands at 21, with 13 recovered patients, 7 active cases on island, and 1 that have left the country. Cherry and Blackman Stephen, GBN News.